How you doing, huh? Ready to do some Forex trading? Yeah, it's Wednesday, the 13th of January 2016. Because it's Wednesday, oil inventory, watch oils, watch CAD. Let's do some trading. Let's make some money, huh? Let's roll it. Gig busted. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, there are my pips. There they are. I see them. So welcome to Forex.Today. Nice to have you. Gather a seat. There's some room at the front row here. Come on up. Hey, let me remind you that trading and investing is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. So please always stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term, never risk money you cannot afford to lose. My name is Wayne McDonell. I'm the Chief FX Market Strategist for TradersWay.com, an ECN that gives you access not just to Forex in a fast and timely and affordable manner, but also energies, metals, indices, and binary options, and all those things that are wonderful as a trader. We do these sessions every single day, Monday through Thursday here at Forex.Today, and every Friday at fxstreet.com. Speaking about Forex.Today, thank you for registering to attend today's event. If you're watching a video of this event, you can attend live. Did you know that? Yeah, you can actually attend live. Isn't that cool? Why don't you join the Cool Kids Club? Just visit Forex.Today, click register, and you also get access to a couple of dozen trading ideas every single day, posted by real people that are watching the market 24 hours a day, writing down their ideas, documenting them, spending hours and hours and hours of hard work, and giving it to you for free because we love you. You're our sweet baby. All right. So where are we and what are we going to do? And let's talk about what's happened before we jump into the technical analysis. I will also accept requests for particular currency pairs. But let's review what's happened in the recent past. Chinese trade balance, much better than expected. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And that moved the market instantly. The yen got pretty weak. Aussie jumped like 20, 25 pips. It was nice. Okay, so that's hopeful. Australian job vacancies, okay, as expected. South Korean unemployment, a little bit better, huh? 3.4, nice. Oil inventories, second straight drawdown. Falling supply should increase price, or at least that's the theory. That's not the big one, the big event though. The big event is today at 10:30. Oil inventories, okay. And then, do you remember that big, the spread between the onshore and offshore we talked about yesterday? Look, yesterday it was 66.8%. Hey, only 8.3 today. Yeah, you think the government got involved yesterday? Holy shamoly, huh? A little bit different, huh? Don't you think? Wow. You trade Europe today? Okay, so Chinese export data improves commodities, commodity currencies, all that kind of stuff. Great. Euro traded lower, weaker Eurozone, as you'll see. Industrial production, negative 0.7. I don't know, is that good? Feet up eating the yeah, nicely said. Yep. So anyways, euro not so bad. And oil did come down, tickle $30 a barrel, and the cycle level held. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Little pop. Okay. So what do we have in store for us in the New York session? And then I even added a bunch of stuff for Asia, since it's going to be such an important Asian session. as you already know since we covered that on Monday. But anyways, this came out already. I don't know the number. You're right, the big DOE, the big government oil inventory report at 10:30. So today is usually a day you trade CAD. And did you notice that CAD is a little bit strong right now? Right? Why, mama? Well, let me tell you, the better than expected Chinese data, on top of the drawdown in the private sector inventory report, are leading investors to possibly think about a drawdown in the DOE, and therefore maybe oil's propped up off the cycle level of 30, and therefore the Canadian dollar is strong. You just add one to the other, to the other, to the other, to the other, and you're in a profitable trade. Then in the Asian session today, look, machine orders, they're expecting negative 7.3. Hey, well, it could be worse. It could be negative 10, negative 11 like it was last month. Very interesting. But obviously, I like to look at annual numbers. But anyways, PPI, what? Are you joking? Negative 3.6. That's inflation at the producer level? I thought Japan was trying to create inflation. Wow. Trying to create inflation with a negative 3.5? Now you strip out energy and what do you get? I don't know, but remember yesterday I covered that copper and copper, what was it? Copper and coal and palladium and oil and a whole bunch of things are at all-time low or multi-decade low and all that kind of stuff. So that's starting to add up. If see, they are an exporting nation. They do make things, and the cost of making things is falling. No matter what your thing is made out of, the cost is falling, and therefore that's why you get negative numbers on the producer side. Okay, Aussie jobs report. Whoop whoop. That's a good one to trade. One of my favorite. You might want to trade that. And the Bank of Korea interest rate decision. Nice. Korea is an important country. They're not expected to do anything, but Japan doing quantitative easing and China manipulating its currency to devalue it. Don't you think the BOK is going to want to get in the game at some point and say, hey, well, if China and Japan are doing it? Marcia says, do I expect a negative number? I don't care. But, and look at the negative 10 versus 71 before, it's a choppy number. I don't really care. As I explained on Monday, this is a pop and stop for me. So if it jumps 50 pips, I'll take profit and I'll walk away. Because very often what happens is it goes up 50 pips, down 50 pips, and then whatever. So to me, it's just a scalp. Don't really care, honestly. Right? I'll have plenty of time to add the number into my long-term trend, but the long-term trend isn't good for Australia, right? But we do have a couple of months of improvement. So am I expecting a negative number? Well, another way of answering that is look at the trend, look at the recent trend, and I think you'll find that the last couple of months has been better than expected. Like the 71, for example, nobody expected that. So, they're expecting negative 10. How about a plus 25? Wouldn't rock my world, but it'd make me 50 pips, right? That's the thought. So that's the conclusion of the sort of fundamentals going into today. And now what we'll do is we'll go through a bunch of currency pairs. So let me know what you want me to cover, and we'll jump right into that immediately. So let's kind of change our hat from fundamental to technical.